Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a done for you high ticket affiliate marketing, and I will show you the 3 simple steps that you will do so you can also make up to $900 in instant commission. So what I'll do is I will show you how to activate the system, how to buy the traffic package, and how to collect your commissions. Now before I show you the 3 simple steps, let me go ahead and show you my personal results. So you can see on this Stripe account, you can see that the gross volume total sales in here is around 625,000 Australian dollars, and then the net volume is around 566,000 Australian dollars. So I'm based in Australia, so that's why my Stripe account is converted into Australian dollars. So these are the total commissions that I made so far for this one particular affiliate account. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to set up your account so you can copy and paste my campaign. So for this particular business model, the initial capital required is one-time payment of $900 plus a one-time payment of $29 website fee. And then in terms of the earnings potential, the earnings potential will be $900 instant commission. Whenever people purchase through your affiliate link, you will get $900 instant commission. So these are the steps that you need to do. Step number 1 is to activate the system. So this is the website right here. It's digitalmarketingmentor.online. So I will also put all the links in the description of the video or in the pinned comment so you can check this out. So if you go to this website, it will take you to this page, and then all you need to do when you go to this page, it's a really simple page. You just need to put your email address here and then yes, get my blueprint now. And then once you do that, it will take you to the next page, and on the next page, this is where you will be able to see and meet the creator of the system. Her name is Michelle. So what you need to do on this page is you just need to watch the video from Michelle. So watch the video from beginning all the way to the end, and then you can also scroll down, check out all these testimonials from some of the other members who are making a lot of money with the system. And then once you're ready to start, all you need to do now is you click this button that says yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. You click this button, it will take you to this page, which is the Legacy Builders order form. So when you go to this page, you can check out the system, right? And then once you're ready to get started, the next step is you click on yes, get access to Legacy Builders program now. So you click this button, and then it will take you to the order form. So this is the order form right here. So again, it's a one-time payment of $900. So all you need to do here is you put your details, first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you click here to pay via credit or debit card, and then you complete the payment. So in this particular sample, it will take you to the Wise account, which is the payment processor that I'm using. So you can choose to pay via Wise. You can also choose to pay via bank transfer or credit card using Visa or MasterCard. Once you complete the payment, it will take you to the next page, which is the one-time payment of the $29 website fee, because you will get the same copy of the website that we are using. So you just need to complete the payment for that $29 one-time payment. Once you complete the payment for for this particular Legacy Builders program, okay, so again, $900 plus $29 website fee. Once you complete the payment, what will happen is you will now be able to access the program, which is this Legacy Builders program. And then you just have to go through this setup. So it's a one-time setup. And then essentially what will happen is once you set up your own system, you will be able to get a copy of this exact website. Okay, and then all you need to do is change the photo on this page, put some details, and then put your name basically, because people will go through this page and then order, and you will be able to make that instant $900 commission. So once you complete all the setup, you are now able to get a copy of this exact page right here. Okay, so step number 2 is that once you have activated your system, step number 2 is you need to buy the traffic package. So to buy the traffic package, because the next question that you will ask is how do you promote your link? How do you promote your lead capture page or your landing page? And if you don't have any social media followers, the easiest way to promote this page is simply buy the traffic package, and you can promote your landing page or your lead capture page on YouTube, Google, or Facebook, or Meta, or Instagram. So what you need to do once you have this page, you need to buy the traffic package. And to buy the traffic package, which is step number 2, you need to go to this website called the affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com. So when you go to this website, you will see you will be able to purchase any of this traffic package depending on your budget, and you can choose whether you want to promote your link or your website on Meta, Google Ads, or YouTube Ads. And depending on your budget, the smallest amount that you can purchase, they have this $200 for 50 buyers traffic, so that means 50 people visiting your lead capture page. If you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the 200 buyers traffic or the 1000 buyers traffic, depending on your budget. So it's entirely up to you. All you need to do is select the package that you want to purchase and then complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, the next step is you message me on my Facebook page and then give me your link. Okay, so this is my Facebook page right here, and then you give me your link. Because this affiliate marketing traffic agency, this is my traffic agency. So you just need to purchase the traffic package and then message me on Facebook and give me your link. Once you give me your link, what will happen is the campaign will go live. Okay, so the traffic campaign will go live on Google, Meta, or YouTube, and then people go to this page. And then when people go to this page, they follow through the exact process. They submit their details, and whenever they purchase, that is how you will make that instant $900 commission. So it's $900 instant commission that will go straight to your Stripe account, to your PayPal account, or to your bank account. So let's do some sample computation. If you want to learn, or if you want to know how much is the earnings potential. So if you do the math here, 1 sale per day, so let's say if you're only making 1 sale per day times 30 days, that's $27,000 per month. If you're making 2 sales a day, so that's $1,800 times 30 days, it's like $54,000 per month. So that's the earnings potential. So again, this is called a done for you high ticket affiliate marketing, because we are promoting a high ticket offer, and it's called done for you because pretty much all you need to do is activate your system, and then once it's activated, you purchase the traffic package and we will do the advertising on your behalf. So again, all the links will be in the description of the video or in the pinned comment, so you can check it out. If you have any questions, you can message me on my Facebook page. Otherwise, all the links will be in the description of the video, so you can check out the Legacy Builders program and then get the traffic package from the affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. All the links will be in the description or in the pinned comment. I wish you all the best, and God bless.